Morning class, this is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today we will continue block 23, finding directions. So be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Our aim for today is to be able to find directions when facing the sun. Today we will learn about the directions while a person faces the sun. Okay? Now answer this question. How do you think that people in older times found the directions? You can answer to your partner. In older times, people used the directions of the sun and polar star to know the directions of a place or to know about different directions. They used to know the direction of the sun and polar star. And what is polar star? Polar star is a star that shines very brightly in the north direction. It always visible only in north direction at night, so people can easily know the north direction with the help of polar star. Okay? And today we will learn about how to find directions as people in the older times did. And we will learn about to know the directions with the help of the sun. Now answer that in which direction does the sun rise? Can you point to that direction? You can point your finger on that direction sitting in your home and you can answer to your partner. So the sun rises in the east direction. Okay, so imagine a point is east direction. Now you need to face on east direction and now spread your arms. Now answer or try to answer that which direction is towards your left hand, which direction is toward your right hand when you face the sun. And when you face the sun in the direction of sunrise means that direction is east. So can you answer that which direction is towards your left and right hand? So as we know, sun rises in the east. In which direction does the sun rise? Sun rises in the east. So if you stand facing the sun, then which direction is behind you? And left and right. So as you know, when we stand facing the sun in the direction of sun rising, so this means this is east because sun rises in the east. So try to understand with the help of this picture. When we face the rising sun means we are facing east direction. So behind will be west direction and our left is north direction and right is south direction. Revise it again. Facing sun means east direction and behind or back side will be west, left will be north and right will be south. Okay, left north and right south. These are the directions when we face the rising sun. Okay, rising sun, left north, right south, face east, backside west. Understand? See the pictures carefully and try to remember it. Now answer this question. How will you find directions in the evening? You can answer to your partner. it will be opposite of rising sun. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So when we face the setting sun, so we are facing west direction. So back side will be east direction and right side will be north direction and left side will be south direction. Okay? In evening, it will be opposite of rising sun. In rising sun, there was north direction in our left hand. So in the evening sun, north direction will be on right hand side, and south will be on left hand side. And we are facing the setting sun. So face side will be west direction and back side will be east direction. Now answer. What will be the direction behind you if the morning sun is to your left? You can try by drawing the directions and try to find the answer. What will be the direction behind you if the morning sun is to your left? So what's your answer? You can answer to your partner. So when the morning sun is in our left, in this picture you can see this is morning sun is in left side. Means east is in left side and west is in right side. So behind means back side will be north. And if we know one direction, so we can know opposite direction also. If we know east direction, so opposite will be west. And if we know north direction, so opposite will be south. And this is about directions of the sun. And after you need to read the topic, finish your S2, do PQ5 and try to find the polar star at night. Observe this star for a week and see whether it changes its direction or not. You can take help of your parents also. And this is your S2. Question 1. The sun rises in the dash dash and sets in the dash. Second, the direction exactly opposite to the rising sun is the. Next question. Question 2 is, look at the picture. Neha is going to school in the morning. Find out the directions based on the position of Neha and label them on the arrows. Neha is facing rising sun. So you need to find the other direction also. Question 2. Look at the picture. Neha is coming back from school in the evening. Find out the direction based on the position of Neha and label them on the arrows. Means you need label them means you need to write the name of directions in the given arrows here. In the picture arrows are given. You need to write all the directions. Question 4 is, Neha is going to school in the morning. The sun is shining behind her. Find the directions for Neha. Okay. So try to complete it. If you have any doubt, you can ask. And try to observe the polar star also. Take care everyone. God bless.